Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this interior car lights. I already had this for over 3 months now, and these are great lights to have if you want to brighten up your car with these neon lights. So let's get into it and let me show you what this kit brings. So you have 4 LED strips right here. You have your remote control, you have your cigarette lighter for the USB, and then you're able to plug this in using a USB right here. Then here's the box that you have to use the Tuya app to control the lights. It's extra long cables. Each LED strip has extra long cables, so you're able to adjust it to how you want to put it, either in your car or even in your bedroom, under a bed, under cabinets, and even has screw holes that you could screw them in to a wooded surface. And you can even attach this using the 3M tape on the back or even with some Velcro. So it's very easy to install, and let me show you how they look at nighttime and how to set it up. So you're going to use your Tuya app, and you can just change what color you want. I'm going to say green, and then you will touch the strip where you want the green to appear. So let me turn off the light so you can see it. So if I want the whole thing green, you can see how everything is turning green now. And you can do that with all the colors that you choose. If you want just one LED to be purple, you click there and it will change it to purple. You can see that. If you want different cards, you can even set up like a scenery. You see how it moves around. If you want different colors. So there's a lot of different settings that you could use it as. If you want Christmas lights, you can see that, different things. If you want to move, and it even sets up to music. So if I set up to music, if you make noise, you see how it reacts to the sound. So it's very good. So there's different modes, and you have all these different possibilities of changing the colors that you want to change. So it's very cool. And let me show you in the car. So you can see how bright that the light is. For under, if I want to change the colors, I use the app on my phone, and I could change it to the different colors that I want to change it to. If I want to do motion, I can set up for the motion. You can see how it's going to different motions. It all depends on what setting that you set it up for on the app. So the possibilities are endless. And then if I want to set it up to music, I can set up to music. So every time I talk, you can see how the lights are changing colors. And then there's a lot of different modes. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great interior car light. I like how bright the lights are and how you're able to change the different colors, either the whole strip or individual LED lights. I also like how it's easy to install, and it comes with the cigarette lighter plugs. And I also like how you're able to mount it to any surface, and you're even able to control it using the app.